been Mr. Paul's vision, passion, and commitment in wanting to serve the unbanked and the underbanked customer segments, especially in the semi-urban and rural areas. And today is clearly a momentous day in the bank's journey as it gets listed and begins to trade publicly. I guess we've already heard about how great the subscriptions have been. I would just like to highlight that that's clearly a testimony to the franchise and the brand that ESAF has built under the leadership of Mr. Paul and the team. Finally, I would really like to wish you all the very best in the future. And I'm very confident that you will continue to see a lot of success and grow from strength to strength. We at Nuvama are clearly privileged to have been associated with you, Mr. Paul and the team, and thank you for this opportunity to be partners in your journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. We're going to have the exchange of mementos post the ringing of the gong. In the meanwhile, I invite Mr. K. Paul Thomas, MD and CEO, ESAF Small Finance Bank, to address all of us.
Good morning. Friends, family, well-wishers, those who are present here and those who have joined online. Greetings to you all on this momentous occasion of ESAF Small Finance Bank's listing ceremony. It is an emotional moment for me too. 31 years of journey, and when I started as a NGO, we never thought that one day we will come to BSE and list the shares in the exchange. So it was a long journey. I thank God Almighty for giving me that vision of serving the community. So ESAF is unique in many ways. So I know that many companies have come to BSE and NSE for listing, but I don't know how many companies have started or founded as a non-profit NGO, a community development service. So ESAF started as a community development service society and gone to multiple transformations. We became an NBFC in 2008, and then we got the bank license and launched the bank in 2017. And in all these transformations, we never lost the focus. That is another unique feature of ESAF. I wanted to appreciate all my ESAFians. We never lost the purpose of serving people, purpose of serving communities, purpose of creating value, purpose of creating opportunities, or in one word, fighting the partiality of prosperity. Fighting partiality of prosperity is a reality. Inequality, social and economic inequality is a reality world over. So we are trying to do our part to reduce the inequality through financial access. That's what we are doing. And the good thing is, we have done it professionally, and we met the goals, and we created value for all our investors. So that is a speciality. So because non-profits, they do achieve, but on a business model, we have created a business model, and we will continue to do that in the future. So looking ahead, so I'm very optimistic. I cannot make any forward-looking statements here, but overall I'm very optimistic about the future for ESAF Small Finance Bank, because 70% of Indian adult population belongs to the low and middle income segments. That is our focus customers, and there is huge opportunity, and we will grow with their aspirations. So that gives the rural, agricultural, micro entrepreneurs, and they are the people going to contribute to the dream of 5 trillion economy of the nation. And we will be, as ESAF Small Finance Bank, we will empower these entrepreneurs, these farmers, these rural population to achieve these goals, the national goals and their aspirations. We will continue to power dream bigger for the low-income segments and continue to create value to our shareholders. So listing a share in for a company is a very, very important occasion. So we have been trying for this for 3 years, last 3 years, but finally we were able to launch the IPO. And I want to thank all the investors. We got a very good, tremendous response. So 77 times. We planned to raise 463 crore, but we got offers for 25,612 crores. So that shows the confidence. Thank you all the investors who participated in the IPO process. And we will continue to meet your expectations. So attitude of gratitude is a virtue I always talk about and I wanted to practice in our organization. So there are many people, I don't know whether I will, before the countdown starts, whether I will have time to mention everyone's name. So if I miss anyone, please forget that. So first of all, I wanted to thank God Almighty, because once we started the process, I told my colleagues and investment banker teams that those who don't believe in God also will start believing in God once you are in stock market and started trading. And that is so I wanted to, we have experienced that. So we were on the final stage. The Israel-Hamas war started, market crashed. We were a lot of uncertainties emerged, but finally we got this response. And I believe that it was because God's grace only. So I wanted to thank God Almighty, and give all the credit to God. I wanted to thank all our BRLMs, so ICICI Securities, Putish and team, DAM Capital, Dharmesh Bhai and team, Nuvama Wealth Management, Rajiv, Viral and other team members. Thank you very much for your support and work. And the legal counsel, Duan Morris and Selvam LLP, Jamie Benson and the team, Khaitan and Company, Thomas and team, Cam, Cyril Amanchand Mangaldas, Ruben Chako and the team. Thank you very much, legal counsel. And our auditors, Deloitte, GK Subramaniam and Anirban, Abarna and Anandan, Mr. Mohan Rao and Abarna ma'am, thank you very much. Sarvesh from EY, Sandeep Welling, our incoming auditor, and John Morris, our independent CA, and who has been associated with us from 2006 onwards, and our registrars, Lincoln Time, and industry report providers, Crisil Research, and our printers, Orient Press, and our advertising and PR agency, Concept, and our regulators. So I wanted to specially mention our regulators, the Reserve Bank of India, and SEBI and BSE for all their support, and our board members, and all our promoter shareholding, the ESAF Financial Holding, ESMACO, and Dia Vigas, Hidby Venture, and all our existing shareholders who came on board in 2018 and 2021, PNB MetLife, Bajaj Alliance, ICICI Lombard, PI Ventures, Muthoot Finance, Mr. Yusuf Ali, Mr. George Itton, thank you very much for your support. So, and all the ESAF leadership team, the IPO steering committee, and I want to specially appreciate the efforts of our CFO, Sri Girish, and Lakshmi from Finance Department, CS Sri Ranjit, and all our EVPs, George John, Hari Vallur, George Thomas, and Hemant, and all ISAFians, I mean when I say ISAFians, those who are working in the ISAF Small Finance Bank, and all the employees of our partner organization, or BC partners, I want to congratulate. Finally, not at the last, I want to thank all my family, my wife Marina, Mimi, Samu, Alok, Miriam, Abhishek, Ashish, and my grandchildren, Keith and Micah, and my parents, and all the friends, all the well-wishers of ISAF. Thank you very much. And all my board members, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. And now the most important part of it, I will need your assistance for the countdown. Everybody, we start from 10. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, ESAF Small Finance Bank Limited is listed today a momentous occasion for all of us gathered over here. Ladies and gentlemen, a nice big round of applause for ESAF Small Finance Bank Limited.